Okay guys, here's how you can play Roblox on the Nintendo Switch too. So the first thing that you have to do is go into System Settings. Click on System Settings, then go into Internet Settings, and you want to find the network which you are connected to. Click on your network and then change settings. Here we will scroll down until you see DNS. Click on DNS settings and you want to set this to manual. Now from the primary DNS section you will type this 045.055.142.122 and you just want to click on OK and you will save this. Once you have done this, it is going to ask you to reconnect to your network, so we're just going to do this. Okay, click on it, connect to this network. If you want to get your internet back, you will just have to change the DNS settings back to automatic. Alright, so once you've done this, it is going to take us, we're just going to click on go to Google, and right here we will use the search bar, the Google search bar, to search for Roblox. So let's just type Roblox like this, and we will just click on done and OK. And you want to open up the first website here that pops up. Click on roblox.com and this is going to load up the Roblox website, and that is essentially how you get on Roblox. You can click on accept all here at the bottom and you can select login to sign into your account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.